Okay, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Septiaman Karya Damai Hia, a student of Chemistry Education Study Program at the Christian University of Indonesia. This time I will do a lab about chemical change, especially about color change. But before that I will explain what chemical change is. Chemical change is one of the changes that occur in the shape and the size of substance which produces a new substance. This material change produces different or new types and properties of the matter from the original substance and is then also known as a chemical change reaction. There are four conditions for a chemical change to occur. For number 1, color change. Number 2, change in temperature. Number 3, formation of gas bubbles in reaction. Number 4, there is a precipitate. So, in this practical, we will focus on changing the color by doing the blue bottle experiment. The meaning of the blue bottle experiment. The blue bottle experiment is the classic blue bottle color change reaction. Using methylene blue in reaction that changes color from clear to blue and back to blue. Okay guys, in the practicum, the material used are number 1, potassium hydroxide, glucose, aqueous, methylene blue, enlamer glaze, stereo spatula, and pipette dropper. The first steps is to pour 20 milliliters of aqueous into the enlamer glaze. The second steps, input the glucose in the enlamer glaze containing the aqueous as much 5 grams. Then, shake until the glucose is completely dissolved with aqueous. After the glucose is completely melted, the next steps is to add 8 grams of sodium hydroxide into the solution. After do that, then shake until completely dissolved. After all the ingredients are mixed, the next steps is to mix methylene blue in the solution. Then the color of the solution will be blue. After that, shake until the blue methylene is completely mixed with the solution. Then we will see the solution that was blue will turn white again. After the color of the solution turns white and let stand a few moments, then we shake the solution again and will produce a blue color again. Conclusion: transform methylene blue from blue to colorless and back again by mixing it with glucose and shaking the solution, then letting it settle. An alkaline solution of glucose acts as a reducing agent and reduces a dead methylene blue from a blue to a colorless form. Shaking the solution raises the concentration of oxygen in the mixture, and this oxidizes the methylene blue back to its blue form.